How to create a website for your business in South Africa. So this is a step-by-step tutorial, okay? So after going through this tutorial, you should be able to create your own website looking just like this. What you have to do is that look in the video description down below. I'm having a link of this platform. Click on it and it's going to bring you right here to this platform, okay? And then over here, what you have to do is to just come here where it says sign up for free and then come and click on it, okay? And then you are going to go through a short sign up process using your email address. It is easy. After that, you'll be logged in right into your dashboard just like this one. So when you come here under your dashboard, what you have to do is to just come here where we have the create a blank website and then we have build site with AI. Come and select build site with AI, okay? And then over here, what you have to do is to just come here and then come and put in the name of your website. Okay, so come and put in the name of your website right here. So I'm going to call the name of my website as Benny's Rental Service. Okay, so after that, what you have to do is just come here where we have this website is for. Come and select the purpose of the website. Okay, so we have the agency, rentals, we have any of these. Okay, but I'm going to select for a local business. Okay, this one, and then select it. After that, you can come and then change the language and then select the one that you want. But I'm going to select the English as the default one and then come here and then come and click on continue. Okay. After that, what you have to do is to just describe what your website is about. Okay. So that the AI can use it to generate a perfect website for you. You can come and click on write using AI for the AI to generate one for you. Go through what the AI generated and then edit it to fit your business preferences. Okay, it is very important. If you don't want to, just come here and come and click on improve using AI, and then the AI is going to generate a different one for you. When you are ready, just come and click on continue. And then over here, you have to provide your contact details that people are going to use to contact you by putting your email address here. Then you can come here and come and put in your phone number here as well. And then over here, just come here and come and put in your address right here inside this box. You can add your social media handles by clicking on the plus sign. Then you can add any of these social media handles to your website, okay? So I'm going to skip all this by simply coming here where we have skip step and then click on it. After that, you have to come and then select free stock images that you are going to use to build your website, okay? So over here, you can select any of them, and then when you come here to the selected images, you will see when you click on it, you will see the images that you have selected. You can remove some if you don't want it, and then make sure that you don't select more than 20 pictures for one website. You can always add more later, and then you can come and click on upload your images if you want to upload your own pictures to be used to build your website, okay? Just like this one. If you want to search for images as well, you can always come here where it says search results and then click on it, and then you can search for any of the pictures to be added, okay? So when you are done, just come here and then come and click on the continue. Okay, so the next thing that you have to do is to come and select the structure of your website. That is how your website is going to look like. Okay, we have all of these that you can choose from. You can simply put the mouse on it and it's going to be shown from the top to the bottom how the website is going to look like. I'm going to go through and then select the one that suits my business preference. Okay, so I'm going to select this one. It is nice and it suits my business. So I'm simply going to click on it for it to be selected, okay? And then when you select it, this is how the website is going to look like. And then over here, you can simply come and click on upload file to upload your logo if you have it already, okay? You can always come here and then come and change the font of the website by selecting any of these. Not only that, you can always come here and then come and select the color palette. Okay, so you can select any of them that you want. I'm leaving mine as the default. And if you don't want the design, you can simply come here and then come and click on go back to design and then change it. Okay, so when you're ready, simply come here where it says continue and then come and click on the continue. And then over here, you can select any of these features for it to be added to your website. Okay, so we have the donation. You can simply come and click on the box for it to be added to your website. We have the sales funnel. We also have the free live chat as well. Not only that, we also have this one, which is the automation. Okay, if you don't want it, just uncheck it. And then we also have the important thing, that is the video player. I'm going to skip all this by clicking on skip and then start building website. Okay, and as you can see, we are almost there. And then this is a layout of what we have chosen. We have the name, we have the description, have the details, just simply come and then click on start building the website, okay? And then over here, just sit down, relax, and then wait for the AI to build your website for you in few minutes. So as you can see, wow, we have successfully built our website, okay? And then these are the login credentials that we can use to log into our website. What you have to do now is that you have to copy it and then put it somewhere. We are going to use it later. So after copying the details, we can simply come and click on view site, and then over here you see that the website is temporary. Don't worry, just come and put in okay, just like this one, and then come and click on the submit, okay? So as you can see, our websites have been created, and then it is looking nice and good looking, just made directly just for us, fitting our preferences, okay? So we have successfully created our business website right here, okay? So now what you have to do is that let's go back to our ZipWP platform and then come and click on login. I'm having the link in the video description, okay? Just click on it, and then over here in your dashboard, just come to the Stargin site and then click on it, okay? And then over here you are going to see the site that you have been able to create it, okay? So just come here to the right hand side. You can see that time to expire is here. The website is going to expire within 24 hours. So we have to move it to a permanent hosting place, and I'm going to teach you how to do that step by step, okay? So when you come here where we have the action, just come and then click on the three dots right here, and then come and then click on login credentials, okay? So this is the login credentials that we are going to use to log into the website, okay? So just come here and then come and click on copy login credentials and paste it somewhere. It is very, very important. And then come and then click on the URL by clicking on this arrow, okay? So we are now in our website. What you have to do is to just come here and then come and add /wp.admin to our website URL, okay? /wp.admin, and then hit enter. So we are going to log in directly into our WordPress by coming here to put in the login details that we copied, okay? So we are in our WordPress dashboard, as you can see, and then over here we can simply come and then click on visit site to visit our site, okay? So our site is here. It is created successfully, and then it is here. So let's go back to our dashboard, and then over here what you have to do is to just go to the plugins, okay, and then click on add new plugins, okay? And then over here the plugin side, just come and then search for WP Vivid, okay? So this one, when it's come, just come and then select this one, and then come and then click on install now. What you are going to do is that we are going to back up our site and then download it, okay? Just come and then click on activate, and then you see that it has been activated. So you are going to see it under the settings, the WP Vivid backup right here, okay? So what you have to do is to just go to the backup and then restore, and then make sure that the database plus the file is checked, and then save backup to local is also checked as well. Then simply come here and then come and click on backup now, okay? So sit back and then wait for it to be backed up, and then when it's finished, just come here to the backups and then come down here where we have the backup here. So this is our backup, right? So when you come to the right hand side, you are going to see download is here under it. Just come and then click on the download, okay? So after clicking on it, just come here to the file and then come to the file size. You will see the download here. Just click on the download, okay? And then you will see that our site is downloading. Just wait for it to finish downloading, and then as you can see, it has finished downloading. Just come and then click on the file here, okay, and then you will see our file here. So we have successfully downloaded our business website. Now we have to host it on a hosting platform. I'm going to show you two ways. We have the free version and then the paid version, so you can choose any one that you want. So the paid one, just go to Google and then type in Bluehost, just like this one, and then hit enter. So when it comes, just select the official site of the Bluehost, just like this one, and then over here when you scroll down to the button, it says that come and then choose your web hosting plan, okay? So they have several plans that you want. So they have the basic, whereby you pay 2.95 cents per month, and then not only that, they are giving you 10 websites, and then they give you 10 gigabyte disk storage for the hosting plan, okay? So when you come to the features as well, they are going to give you a free domain for 1 year. Okay, so when you want it and then you have the money to pay for it, all that you have to do is to simply come here and then come and click on the select, and then they are giving you 63% off of the official price. Okay, so simply come here and then come and click on start now. Okay, so when you click on it over here, what you are going to do is that you are going to create a domain. Okay, so simply come in and come and put in the name of your domain. I'm simply going to put in Blogging Tools Plus, and then make sure to select any of these that you want, but I'm simply going to select the .com, and then simply come here and then check if it's available by clicking on the next. Okay, so when you click on it, it says it is available, and you have to go through this short registration, putting your first name, last name, business name, country, street address, city, postal code, and then phone number, and then email address. Okay, and then this is how the plan is. Okay, so you are going to pay this amount of money for 12 months. Okay, and then this is the hosting plan. So they are going to add it up, but they are going to give you a free domain for 1 year. That for the domain, you are not going to pay any amount of money for it. Okay, so in total, when you come down here, you are going to see the amount of money you are going to pay in total. That is 155.46 per 1 year. Okay, if you have the money, just simply go ahead and then choose the payment option. We have the Visa, you can put in your Visa name here, and then we have the PayPal. You can simply go ahead and then pay using PayPal. But if you don't have the money, then I'm going to teach you how to get a free hosting. Okay, so to do it, all that you have to do is just go to Google and then come and search for Infinity Free, just like this one. Okay, Infinity Free, then hit enter. So when it comes, just go and then select the official site of Infinity Free, just like this one, and then click on it. Okay, so when it comes, what you have to do is just come and click on register now. It is totally free. Okay, so all that you have to do is just go through a short sign up process by simply putting your email address here, come and put in your password, then you come and confirm the password, and then come and check the box to agree to their terms of service, and then come and check the box to verify you, and then come and click on sign up. Okay, so over here they are going to send you a verification mail in your email. Okay, if you did not come, just come and then click on resend email, and then they are going to send it. So this is the verification mail. Just click on it, and then over here simply come and click on verify email address, and then over here you have to come and then create a hosting account. Okay, so when you come here, it says that no account yet. Simply come and click on create an account now. Okay, so when you click on it, you are going to create an account by simply coming to choose a hosting plan. So they have a free plan whereby you pay $0. Okay, so this is the free plan, and then it is totally free and then free for a lifetime. Okay, so this is what you are going to get from the free plan. You are going to get 5 GB disk storage, you are going to get unlimited bandwidth, and then unlimited hosted domain as well. So simply come and then click on create now. Okay, and then over here you have to choose a domain name. Okay, simply come here and then come and click on subdomain, and then come and put in the subdomain that you want. Okay, so I'm going to put Benny's Rentals here. So after that, simply come here and then the domain extension, just come here where you have the down arrow, come and click on it, and then select any of them. So any of them is totally free, and then come and click on check availability. Okay, so as you can see, the domain is available, and then we can use it to create our website. Okay, so the next thing is that this is what people are going to see when they go to our website, and then the account user is automatically selected, and then we can always select our password or regenerate it. Okay, so when you are done, simply come here to the email consent, and then come and select I approve. Okay, simply come and select I approve, and then simply come down here to click on create account. So after that, what you have to do is that, as you can see here, our account has been created successfully. So as you can see, the account has been created successfully. So what you have to do is to simply come and then click on the finish. Okay, so after clicking on it, sometimes it has to take about 72 hours for your account to be active. Don't worry, it will come. Simply come and then click on the control panel. So simply come here and then come and click on I approve, and then you'll be logged directly into your control panel. Okay, so this is what you will get from the free plan: unlimited subdomain, we have the add-on domains, and then the 5 GB is also here as well. Okay, we have our limited password, bandwidth, and then all this is here. So what you have to do is to simply come and then locate the Softaculous app installer and then click on it. And then over here, we can come and then install our WordPress by clicking on the install button here. After that, simply come here where we have the down arrow, come and click on it and then come and select quick install. Okay, and then come here where we have the admin account, come and set your user account here by putting the name that you prefer and the admin user, and then the password too. You can always regenerate a different password by clicking on the key sign here. Okay, so when you are done, simply come here and then come and click on the install, and then simply sit back and then wait for the WordPress to be installed for you. And as you can see, congratulations, we have successfully installed our WordPress. So we can simply log into our WordPress through the administrative URL by simply coming here to click on it, and then we are in our dashboard. What you have to do is that we have to update our WordPress by simply coming to click on please update now. Okay, so when you click on it, simply come here where it says update to version and then come and click on it and then sit back for it to be updated. So now let's go to our dashboard, and then over here we can visit our website by simply going to my blog and then click on visit site. Okay, and as you can see, we have successfully created a website on a free hosting without paying anything. Now let's upload our website. Okay, so by simply going to the dashboard, just come to where we have the plugins and then come to add new plugins and then select it. Over here, simply come to the search bar and then come and search for WP Vivid. So when it comes, just come and then select this one. Okay, and then come here and then come and click on install now. Okay, so simply wait for it to be installed and then come and click on activate. Okay, so the activate is here, simply click on it, and then over here simply come here to the settings under it. You are going to see the WP Vivid backup right here. Okay, so just come here to where it says the upload, come and click on it, and then we are going to upload our website that we downloaded. Okay, by simply come here to click on select file. Okay, click on it and then go and select the file and then come and click on open, and when you look down here, you see that our zip file is here. Simply come here and then come and click on the upload. Okay, and then over here when you look here, it is uploading. Simply sit down and then allow it to finish upload, and then when it's finished, it will pop up this one, just like this one. It says that the upload has completed, and then come here and then come and click on OK. So now all that you have to do is to just come to the backups and then come down here. You are going to see the backup right here. Okay, so this is it. So when you go to the right hand side, you are under the restore. Okay, the restore here under it. Simply come and click on the restore, and then come here where it says the restore, come and click on it, and then wait for our website to be restored. Okay, so over here as it says, are you sure you want to restore it? Yes, come and then click on the OK for it to be done. Okay, so just wait and then sit back and then allow the website to be restored. So as you can see, 100% restored. Just come here where it says restore successful and then come and click on the OK. Okay, so over here we have to log into our WordPress dashboard. Okay, what you have to do now is to just come to your dashboard and then come and click on the Stargent website, and then over here the website that we created, when you come here to the action, the three dots, come and click on it and then come and click on login credentials, and you are going to see your login credentials. Okay, so just come and then copy your username by clicking on this, and then come back here and then come and paste it right here, and then let's go and then copy our password as well by clicking on this to copy it, and then come back here and then come and paste it right here. Then come and click on the login, and then we'll be logged in successfully right into our dashboard. So let's go to our dashboard, and then over here we can visit our site by clicking on visit site here. Okay, so as you can see, our site is live. We have uploaded it successfully on a free web host without paying any amount of money. One important aspect of every website, just like ours, is that we have to customize it. Okay, so to customize, just come and then click on the customize, and then we have all of these to choose from during the customization. Okay, so we can view it in desktop mode, tablet mode, and then the mobile mode as well. And then over here to customize anything, just put the mouse on it and then click on the edit, and then you'll be able to edit it individually. Okay, so over here I can scroll up or down to change the size of my logo. Okay, and then over here I can simply come here and then click on this to edit it, or I can simply do anything that I want. Okay, we also have our primary menu here. The primary menus are these ones. Okay, the home, about, the service, the blog, and then the contact. If you don't want it, you can simply come and click here to remove it. Okay, we also have our button here. So when you go to the top, get started here, this is our button. We can also edit it and do whatever to be done. So when you are done, just come and then click on publish, and then our website will be published and live. Okay. One another important aspect of every website is the SSL certificate. So when you come here, it says not secure. When you put the mouse on it and then you click on it, it says connection to this site is not secured. It simply means that our SSL certificate was not installed automatically when we created our website. Don't worry, I'm having a full video on how to install a free SSL certificate for your website on my channel. Watch it and then install a free certificate for your website.